What kind of sauna is this? It's just too perfect. Everything is too arranged. There is a nice swimming pool outside, but that's not what I want. It should be in the nature with fresh air. And plus here you need to wear a stupid hat. This is so much better, right? Fresh air, mountains, river, no stupid hat. Patrick, pick it up later, okay? I'm gonna use this one. So, we came all the way to Thailand to set up a real wild Russian sauna. How? We'll show you later. But first, check out this beautiful place. Yep. We are going to pick up our stuff to make the sauna. Patrick, you're gonna be my hands, legs. So we need shovel, we need the tent.
Alright, the tent is over here. Oh, hey. How big it is! It looks like someone is hiding inside.
We brought the dog here.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I don't know, I'm kind of confused. I don't know what's going on. The thing is, I think last week when we were like discussing what to film this time, and she was like, oh, let's make a sauna. I was like, okay, how do you do it? She's like, I don't know, but I'm just gonna try.
No, actually, I've done it before one time. I wasn't setting up the sauna, but I was using it and it was an amazing experience. Especially when you're camping, it's kind of cold at night, you know, so you just go to sauna. So that's what we're gonna do now. You forgot where the river is while you're walking there. Since it was our first time building an outdoor sauna, we had to find some instructions. And they seem to be pretty easy. We just had to find a lot of solid rocks, organize a fireplace in a well shape, and burn the woods inside. Once the stones are hot enough, we just had to put out the fire to prevent the spread of CO2 and place the tent on top. And voila, the sauna is ready. A great way to warm yourself up in the nature and enjoy your camping trip. So, pick up the wood, Patrick. 工作，工作，快一点。
好了，好了。
老板也要休息，好不好？Oh, so nice.
Okay, I guess it's my time to pick out the wood while someone is being lazy here. Alright, let's go find it. Did it to myself, I have no explanation. Twisted games and tricks all tangled up and okay, give it to me. Oh, got it. Any more bigger pieces up there? Okay, throw on the road now on my face, please.
Isn't it perfect? What, Patrick?
I think it's a little bit too huge.
The oaks. We didn't take the oaks. Look at your hands, they're still clean. Come on, work. Oh my god.
Is that like a burnt boot or something?
I said it was a burnt leg.
And you thought that was a burnt leg, but you still touch it?
I'm curious. Actually, this place is so nice because it's very accessible, and to go down takes less than 5 minutes. The road itself, the path is very nice. Yeah, easy to drive, even with a low bottom car.
What are you doing in there?
I'm making a new fireplace for us because this one is apparently doesn't fit. So we need to
Why is not fit?
Because we have this one up there in the fence.
I didn't know we can set the tent like this, to be honest.
Yeah, it's quite big, so we had to like cut it. Now it's maybe 2/3 of the tent. That could go bigger. So yeah, we need a good fire to heat it up. Patrick, we need some stones to create our fireplace.
Okay.
Good stones, okay, bigger stones. Jayo.
She told me to pick out a lot of stones, and look what I found. I call it the stone market. Stones coming! Run. Guys, look at her. She looks like a lonely woman that was left on the lonely island and she's collecting all the ooze and leaves by herself.
I need to get the fire done.
You seem to enjoy yourself a lot, huh?
I do. Alright, so this is our fireplace. I'm gonna set it up now. And I think this big piece of wood we can use for a bench. The wood is a little bit too... it's not perfect, it's gonna burn too fast, but I mean, let's see.
So, since she's busy collecting all the woods and setting on the fires, I'm just kind of like chilling around playing by myself. I want to try this new gear, Insta360 One X2. So we just got it recently and it can film 360 shots. Let's go check out the footage.
Oh my god, guys, I really hope we're not gonna burn the tent because it's getting kind of strong. I'm not going to go inside the tent because it's kind of dangerous, you know. I don't want to breathe that in. So let's just wait and see.
No kidding, but the fire is really huge.
It looks like we're in the Stone Age.
I don't think it is what it's supposed to look like. Look at this.
It's not what it's supposed to.
I don't know if she's trying to burn the tent or she's trying to burn the stone, because it looks more like trying to burn the tent. I don't think it's a good idea to sit inside, because I think you sit inside for 1 second, you're gonna pass out because there's too much like CO2, right? Alright, let's see how long we're gonna wait. So right now is 4:44. Maybe the sauna is gonna be done in 2 hours.
I just hope it's gonna be done.
I wish that too.
I'm really not sure if it's gonna work, so let's at least get this picture as a memory.
Yeah, we set up our Polaroid camera over there.
Okay. Come, take the stone.
Do you think it's gonna look a nice picture or no?
Yeah, as long as you don't cover the fire.
I'll try not to cover the fire. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera and then we're gonna take a picture faster before like the fire is gonna be too big. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it! Show us a picture, show us a picture, show us a picture!
Pre-dance. Hey?
Oh.
Looks cool, right?
Whoa, on the picture they even have a steam!
It's not a steam, it's a smoke.
Oh yeah, it's smoke.
Maybe meanwhile we can make our dinner.
Okay.
You know, actually what's so funny? I supposed to do my report today for my final exam and I didn't do it. I came all the way to Thailand to set up the sauna, which is not working. My submission deadline is midnight tonight, so after this I need to write the paper.
Don't worry, I will set up a table and chair for you so you can work on it, okay?
Sure. Okay, let's make some dinner. What's on the menu? What's on the menu? You don't know. You're buying the stuff.
Told me to buy the stuff, which is just say, oh, buy some potatoes, buy some curry. So I was like, oh, I assume it's gonna be curry, right?
It is. Yeah, let's make
such a boring question.
Okay, so guys, now it's 6 p.m. Time to check our sauna, if you can call it sauna. Okay, let's see. I took some water to check if the stones are hot or not. Okay, now you can actually breathe inside. It's actually quite warm, so no more smoke. There is still a little bit of fire, but it's okay. So let's see. Oh, this one is very hot. But apparently it's not hot enough to set up any sauna, because it should be the smaller tent or I don't know, more stones, because I think the problem was the wood. It just burned too fast. It didn't really give a lot of heat. Kind of failure. But I really want to build it again, so let's do it again, okay? Next time I'm gonna study more. Maybe I just need to find a pipe. If you guys have a pipe, or I don't know, more suitable tent, smaller tent, let me know, please, borrow it, or we can set it up together, because I really want to try it. So amazing when you can go to the cold river, cool down, and then go in a hot sauna. In the nature, everything is just so perfect. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please smash that like button below. Subscribe to our channel, Travel Nurse Taiwan, 旅游真台湾. That's very important, so it will motivate us to make more videos about traveling and a lot of cool stuff. So, see you somewhere in Taiwan. Bye bye.